designed this course to simplify the knowledge of nutrition, evidence-based, and also easily adopted. We all know that food can do or undo our health. We also know our lifestyles can lead us on the path of health or disease. The choice is ours to make, and this course will help you understand and learn everything you need to make these right choices.
Just took me a few seconds to decide that I want to do this course. In terms of content and cost, this is the mother of all courses, abundant in content and very low in cost. And the returns from this course are right from the first class itself. All other classes are bonus. So it starts right from